So I got a new keyboard. It's the Elemend Z-88, except the 104 key version, as said by this number pad. Mine has the blue switches, and it came with a keycap puller and a key switch puller, so that's cool. So, I'm not gonna lie to you and say that I haven't opened this, because I have. So, yeah, let's just get this baby. This keyboard sounds amazing. Like, listen. So, the only part about it that I do not like is the metallic resonating that you get. But that's just because of the aluminum backplate, which also makes it pretty smooth, and you can crunch on it and nothing bad happens. So let me connect it to my laptop, and we're gonna do a little type test. But before we do the type test, let me show you the bottom. So you have two feet that are tipped with rubber, though it may not look like it. They are. And you have a cable, which is, I think, USB Type-C. So that's pretty cool. Now, if we just connect it over here, we can do a sound test with typing and OS. So let's do that. Let's see, does it turn on? Oh, my laptop's dead. Let me fix that real quick. Okay, did that fix the problem? I didn't plug it in. See, guys, this is why you always prepare for a video. You don't just go in it and then improvise like all my videos are. But I guess that's what gives my videos like a sense of originality to them, you know? Because I don't rehearse or anything. Like, sure, I may take multiple clips, but whatever. Okay, so we're just loading up my laptop and reviewing this keyboard. And look at those colors. Now, if you do FN and then this, it can slow down or speed up the animated stuff. There's a bunch of different modes, but I'm not going to spoil those for you, because I want you to figure them out for yourself if you do end up buying this keyboard. Link will be in the description. But, let's get in here. That's a nice sound. That's a nice little sound it's got. Now if we get out of this section. Is OS gonna load? Okay, yeah, OS is gonna load. So, let me go get my headphones and we're gonna do a little typing test. Forgive my bad skill, I haven't played this game in forever. Wow, it's been a long time since I've played this game. let's do something easier, because I'm horrible at this game. This doesn't sync how I'd want it to. Okay, well, that's done with OSU. Let's just Alt F4 right out of here. Let's go to a different thing. As you can see, oh, by the way, the flickering is not present in real life. It's just a thing with the LEDs, and I don't know why that happened. Oh, well, actually it happens because frame rate or something. I don't know, there's probably a Tom Scott video on it, but let's search up a video on YouTube. Nice. Hold up, let me do something. So, it'd do me a great service if you guys just subscribe to this guy, because he's pretty cool. But, yeah, as you can see, pretty good with typing. Like, I'll type, I like to eat. And as you can see, it's pretty cool. It's pretty great. So, yeah, that's this keyboard reviewed. For some reason, lights are flickering. Let's go a little bit slow mode. Oh, wait. Let's go slow mode, because it's... Yeah, that's end of the video. Oh, by the way, I didn't tear this off, so let's just wait. Let me get this.